Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Meinong Township in Kaohsiung County is a significant center for Hakka culture in the southern area of Taiwan. Visitors can take strolls along the Yong'an Old Street and try their hand at arts and crafts at the local kiln. Also, don't miss Hakka culinary delights, such as Meinong's Hakka noodles, cabbage stew, and other delicacies. Great souvenirs to take home are traditional Meinong paper umbrellas.
造访南部的客家重镇高雄县的美浓镇，可以漫步永安老街，体验美浓窑 DIY， 游览美浓湖、黄蝶翠谷及参观棕榈河纪念馆。来到了客家庄，当然不能错过美浓板条、高丽菜风、野莲等客家美食，还可买客家传统蓝山、美浓伞回家做纪念。Hello everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka right here on FM 100.
Hello， 大家好，我係阿邊個 Leo。
Hello， 大家好，我係 Joseph Lee。
Joseph，很問哦，那個紙傘
哦，紙傘我知道，
你知道哈？那講到紙傘，你會想到哪個地方？
哦，紙傘，我從小因為看那個電視劇，那個什麼《星星知我心》啊，裡面呢，那個他們就住在美濃啊，對不對？
對，超。
Leo's asking me about the paper umbrella, which is very well known here in Taiwan, and it's especially in a town called Meinong in Kaohsiung. 现在紙傘應該還是很多人會去那邊買嘛，對不對？
啲雜嘅有個紙傘紙雜嘅，喺美濃嚟講係超有名嘅，
很有名，對。
唔經啲嘅美濃中蠻很多美濃嘛。
那為什麼？
因為那以前在那個美濃那個地區會有很多的水汽，它那邊有一個湖，所以呢常會有那個霧氣。
哦，所以你是說那邊會很有霧氣，所以有點那種
朦朧
的感覺啊。
對。
Okay, so it's interesting. The reason this place is called Meinong is derived from a term saying how foggy and how smoky it gets around there because they have a lake. 你說那邊是有一個湖，是不是？
就是美濃湖。美濃湖。
美濃湖。And of course, during the day or during the night, a lot of times it's beautiful, it's foggy, and so the name Meinong actually kind of sounds like that, and therefore now it's called Meinong. Again, this is in Kaohsiung County, and while you're over there, you gotta purchase their paper umbrella, 紙傘。
紙紮。
Let's review these terms. 紙傘, a paper umbrella.
紙紮。
紙紮. The place we're going to is Meinong.
美濃。
And over there, there's a lake, 美濃湖.
美濃湖.
There you go. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka.
什麼睇㗎？
安子 say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.